My name is Nicolas. I am from Brazil and I have two English schools in my town. And I have a travel agency, and this is why I'm here, because I am with a group of students and it's the second time I bring students to Speak Up London. I started talking to you in 2022 because I have the group in January of 23, which was my first group to England, and I look for schools that I feel safe to work with. That was the first thing I was looking for in a school. You look very safe online as well, and you answer really quickly to everything that I need to know about the courses, about schedules and everything. And another thing which was really good for me is because Brazil has a lot of different things regarding payments, so it's quite complicated to send money to England, and you were really helpful in doing that. I'd say that you do and you've done everything that you could to help me, so that was the main reason I chose to be here with the students. I have always loved London and the way that schools are here in general in England. I've been to schools everywhere and I like the way you have the vibe of receiving everybody from everywhere without judging anything, and I simply love it because we are very different. People from Brazil are very different from people from here. One of the things which was fun is that I got here the first time and you talked to me in Portuguese, and it's crazy because we are in England and that makes the students like the place and feel comfortable and somehow related to home, and that's good for letting the shyness go away, you know. Regarding the classes, I have these students that they simply hate studying. And yesterday I was here and they came out from the class laughing a lot. And I was like, you said you don't like studying, why are you laughing? Why are you telling me good things about the class? And he said, oh, here the classes were nice. And I like coming to classes here. So, and this happened the first time as well. So this is why I kept coming here.